नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten App, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Twitter and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message from Sri Kailasa today. 5 statements means 5 revelations. 1. I remember myself in you and wake up to my reality in you. 2. When I remind my existence in you, you start seeking. 3. When I make you cognize I am real, achieving me is real, prayer becomes your life. 4. When prayer becomes continuous flow, it becomes oneness. 5. In the oneness, when you start manifesting powers, you achieve absolute Shuddhadvaita. That's it. Understand? I just downloaded and read out. Listen carefully. Internalize these great truths. Paramashiva, when he reminds his existence in you and starts waking up at you, intense prayer is nothing but upasana, means sitting and talking to Paramashiva, having dialogue with the higher existence. You need to know, the moment you know Paramashiva is real, whatever you speak is not monologue. Listen. The moment you even have a slight doubt you are in a dream, after that, all the dreams are only leading you to waking state. Listen to this very carefully. In the sleep, sometime during one dream you will have an idea, I think you are dreaming, it's all false, it's not true. But before that thought becomes strong and you wake up, you again slip into dreams. But all those next level dreams only will be leading you more and more and waking up. How many of you are understanding what I am saying? Raise your hand. This is exactly happens to you. The moment you cognize Paramashiva is real, over, then you know all this is just dream. And after that, even if you forget Paramashiva is real and slip into these dreams, all these dreams will be only leading you one by one, step by step, to the ultimate truth. Paramashiva is real. The idea of time, not real time, idea of time is the thief. Listen. Today, whatever I am revealing, if you understand, you can manifest your future just like that, so casually. Slowly, step by step, understand Paramashiva is such beautiful mother. He makes the food very digestible. He doesn't push the grain as it is in your mouth. He makes it nicely, I should say more like a juice, and makes you drink. It's like Parashakti. She eats all the food which need to be digested. Only takes her milk and feeds you. That's what exactly the meaning of Parashakti gave her own breast milk to Jnana Sambandhar. Means the whole Jnana, Paramashiva Jnana is digested. And just the essence is taken and given to the disciple who need to get enlightened. That's the meaning of the Jnana Sambandhar, receiving the Jnana Pal from Parashakti directly, Parvati. So listen. Listen to this truth. Even once you cognize Paramashiva is real, after that, every incident in your life, every dream in your life will only lead you to waking state. That Paramashiva is ultimate. As I was telling yesterday, what you feel about you does not matter. What you cognize about you matters. Your feelings mostly are delusional and taught by society. Cognitions are conscious conclusions. Whether it comes from Guru or not, you decide to cognize them for various reasons, or sometimes even no reason. Why the baby Jnana Sambandhar should decide to accept the milk from Parashakti? No reason. How does the child know that she is Parashakti, Parvati herself? How does the child know that the person standing next is Paramashiva himself? No reason. The essence of enlightenment, waking up to higher reality, ruling your life as Ishvara for yourself. More and more powerfulness. All this can manifest just by this one thing. Listen. Intensely talk to the higher existence. The moment you cognize Paramashiva is real, you talking is no more monologue. Talking is dialogue. He has to listen. Sometimes he utters words to respond to you. Sometimes he pours intense silence in you and fills you as his response. Learn to understand only in binary logic. Words are conversation. In reality, even silence is conversation. Sometimes silence is deeper conversation. When you know Paramashiva is real and intensely talking to him, sometimes he may use words to respond to you. Sometimes he may just pour intense silence and fill you. That silence is the response from him. That peacefulness is a response from him. Whatever is happening inside you, after you talk to him, is his response. Be very clear. Do not expect response in your binary language. In a normal way, like if you say a word before even you complete, the other person screams. Don't expect that from Paramashiva. Understand his language. Learn to understand Paramashiva's language. Learn to understand Paramashiva's language. Understand? When you start talking intensely to Paramashiva, just these three, listen. Forget about everything else. Paramashiva is real. And you start talking to him. You can be complaining. You can be crying. You can be talking. You can be enjoying. You can say, thank you for what you have given me. Or you can be angry, saying that what have you done to me? Why is Australia fire is not getting put off? Why the animals are dying in Australia? You can talk anything you want. He's as older than sun and fresher than your breath. He is new to you than your own breath. He is old to you than the sun. Older than the sun, newer than the fresh breath you are taking inside. So you can talk anything you want. Remember one thing, cognizing is real, and then whatever you talk to him and whatever response he does, sometimes he will give verbal response, sometimes he will fulfill your prayers, sometimes he will pour intense Paramashanta state in you. All is his response. Anything you do will only wake you up to the reality he is real and he is ultimate. That's it. I have given the essence of everything. State, space, powers, being, super consciousness and Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva. All the 6 aspects I have given in this 3 line. Paramashiva is real. The ultimate is real. And start talking to him intensely. It can be sweet, friendly conversation. It can be fight. It can be demanding. It can be aggression. It can be surrender. It can be screaming. It can be anything. Know that he is real and go on internally talking to him. Before sipping cup of coffee, tell him, Swamiji, here is a sweet coffee. Enjoy. Before falling asleep, tell him, I am resting in you. Make my brain fall in tune, so I manifest you. Go on and on and on. I tell you. Listen to this. Once you feel you are dreaming, and after that, even if you slip into dreams, all those dreams only leads you to waking up state. Only once you remember, I think I am dreaming and it's not all real. Even if you don't wake up and fall, you slip into the dream again. After that, every dream you go through, will only lead you to wake up. You will only wake up. Understand? Independent intelligence who is creating, sustaining, renovating, rejuvenating, pulling out of delusion and liberating all of us and this universe is Paramashiva, and he is real. He is available in the form of Nityananda Paramashivam to all of us. Cognize these fundamental principles and go on talking to him. Go on talking to him. Every word you utter, you talk to him, will bring tremendous completion. You can vomit your confusion, you can vomit your frustration, anger, anything is okay. Stop talking to yourself, start talking to Paramashiva. Maybe this is what I'll give us today's essence of satsang. The title for today's satsang is Stop Talking to Yourself, Start Talking to Paramashiva. Talking to yourself, you will create more and more guilt, anger, confusion, frustration, incompletion. Talking to Paramashiva, more and more you will feel intense Paramashanta. Your whole nerves will get intense Paramashanta, extreme joy, patience, activism. Understand? Activism in life. Paramashanta gives you activism in life. You all mistake aggression as activism. No, aggression is activism in the negative direction is aggressiveness. Paramashanta, flowing in positive direction is activism. I have seen in my own life activism and aggression from people. I have seen active people, I have seen aggressive people. Here I am defining activism and aggression. Activism is Paramashanta, flowing for life, pro-life. Aggression is anger, violence, frustration, flowing. Life negative. Continuously, whole day in your life, whether you are walking, talking, driving, go on be talking to Paramashiva. Make him as your very own company. That is why wearing Atmalinga on your Anandagandha. Wear the Atmalinga near your Anandagandha, below the heart center, above the navel. That is the area. Exactly where I am having this kandi. This is where the Atmalinga is supposed to sit in you. Below the heart, above the navel. Wear the Atmalinga in your Anandagandha. Always. It can be vertical or horizontal. That is not a problem. Always have Atmalinga. I tell you. Go on, talk to Paramashiva. Many people are sending messages that their Atmalinga is little damaged when they are handling and they are feeling very incomplete and worried about it. Be very clear. Paramashiva is invoked in Atmalinga. True. But Atmalinga itself, if it is damaged, that does not mean Paramashiva is damaged. So don't worry. After all, Atmalinga is in the physical plane. For example, Paramashiva manifests through this body. When I had the right hand fracture, you think Paramashiva's right hand is fractured? No, be very clear. He manifests through this body. He uses body. But this body is after all functioning within the frames of usual Panchabhuta. So understand, the Atmalinga you are wearing, Paramashiva takes that form to bless all of us. But if some small damage or something happens, you see, don't mishandle. That is true. But accidentally, if something happens, don't worry about it. It is not subject need to be worried. Have your Atmalinga exchanged, get new one. I request sincerely all of you to be very sincere and protective about Atmalinga. But if something happens by accident and you break it or damage it, Paramashiva is very clearly saying in Agama, you can have second Atmalinga. We have got the references. You can give this old one and get the new one. No problem. And you are not punished for that. After all, it is the linga, physical linga is within the Panchabhutas. The framework of earth, air, water, fire and sky. So understand. Always wear the Atmalinga and intensely converse with Paramashiva. I tell you, sometimes your conversations, answers you get, intuitions you get will become reality. Sometimes it will not become reality. Don't worry about it. Go on conversing. Go on conversing. Go on conversing. Go on conversing. Bring intense energy in your conversation. I tell you, conversing Paramashiva, suddenly you will see becomes unbroken upasana and ajapa japa. It will be Mahavagya is continuously reverberating in your whole inner space. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. How to know whether this ajapa japa is happening in you or not? You know, your waking up hours and quality of your waking state will drastically increase. Waking up hours and quality of your waking state will drastically increase. The sleep dreaming, that whole time period will shrink like anything. And all the time you will feel alive, awake, fresh. You will feel like doing something. Let me do this, let me do that. Intense activism with eternal peace inside you. Intense activism with eternal peace inside you. I really don't want to add too many words because it is such straightforward technique. I want all of you to practice from now till tomorrow. You come to the satsang. Tomorrow come to the satsang with a printed calendar. I'm going to help you to manifest your future, plant your future, like sowing the seed. From now till tomorrow morning, go on be talking to Paramashiva. The essence of today's satsang is stop talking to you, start talking to Paramashiva. That's it. I'll start the process today. A break. Listen. Now, this is the boon for my disciples. I'll intensely connect you with Paramashiva. With the grace of Paramashiva, you will manifest Paramashiva now. You will know He is real and you will manifest Him intensely. Sit. Listen. Now, connect with Paramashiva intensely. Chant Mahavagya internally, like intense, vibrant frequency, like strong nuclear force. Paramashiva will manifest in all of us. Start.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக் கதிநல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாமவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏத்தி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று உருவாயும் மொழி மங்குகிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி. இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாப்புகலீது. இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே. வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின். பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்குமே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே. ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே. கதி நல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா. அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம். அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம் அவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலம் எனவே. அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. உருவாயும் மொழி மங்குகிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமென் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்கும் மே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
உண்மையர் பன்னோய் புன்னி ஒன்று ராது மொழியும் தீயோர் முரண் ஒரு கணத்திங்கங்கி குன்று அருணை ஈசன் கோபமெந்தழல் விழாது குன்று அருணை ஈசன்
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக் கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா. அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம். அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாமவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலை நிதம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே. அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. உருவாயும் மொழி மங்குகிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறை சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்கும் ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
இன்னாவும் உண்மையர் பன்னோய் துன்னி ஒன்று ராது மொழியும் தீயோர் முரண் ஒரு கணத்தின் தங்கி குன்று அருளை ஈசன்
Kundalini, Uttishtata, Jagrata. Wake up. Kundalini, Uttishtata, Jagrata. Wake up. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.